Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and here we are with another vlog. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the video. And yeah, it's been a while since my last video, which was the painting for Ghostface. That was before Halloween. I know it's been a while, I think about like a month's time, but I've been busy packing and moving because now, I have a new background. I moved into a new apartment with my friend Issa, so we're roommates now. And this will be my first time being away from living with family, basically. I still live in Hayward around them, so yeah. But yeah, since it's been a little while since I posted my last video, I wanted to do a little update so that way y'all don't think I just disappeared again like last time. I guess I could do a little tour, and yeah, we'll do that. So yeah, I was right here. It's all hella empty and stuff. We have a lot of more furniture to get. All we have is that little couch basically out here. Oh, there's my Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom picture. Can't wait to put that up somewhere. And you can see outside there. We started setting up some things, so we have like shot glasses and whatnot. Got some magnets going on there. I got this from Macari. It was recommended to me. I was like, what the hell is a bar mat? But I looked it up and it's actually useful because we do like to make drinks and take shots and stuff because we're bad children. But yeah, it was Mass Effect themed, so I was like, yep, I'm gonna get that. And then we started getting, we actually kind of have a lot of cups so far. So yeah, it's a mixture of our randomness, I guess you could say. Which please. But yeah, walking. Oh, I better drink that milk in a minute. Let's see. Lighting, we still gotta get some. Oh wait, do we have lights in here? I still don't even know. Is that what this is? We do have lights in here. I didn't even realize. I'm hella stupid. Anyway. Let's just ignore the fact that I'm stupid. Got our bathroom going on in here. I like it. Nice and cold from that window. I'm not going to show you our little personal thingies. That's Issa's room, but I'm not going to go in there because that's privacy. And here's my room, full of boxes. His is already all set up, but I have a lot of things because I'm an artist, and there's things I need to get rid of too. So, but yeah. I can't wait to set it up, and I'll definitely do a room tour on that. I'm not gonna open the blinds because there's a window straight across from mine. I don't want to like be like, hey, what's up? Yeah, basically, look at my mess, and then I'm gonna work on getting a new bed because I'm tired of sleeping on an air bed, even though it's not like hella uncomfortable. It's just I want a real bed. But yeah. And yeah, we have this one couch and some of these chairs. Can't wait to get like nice furniture. I mean, I like that one, but we need to get like something to match it. Yeah, my friend Rogel was here on the 20th. Don't erase me. Yeah, just thought I'd do a little vlog, doing a little tour of the place before it's all like decorated and all that stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and if you haven't already, please like, God, it's been a while since I said it. Please like, subscribe, and tickle the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications for whenever I post a video to my channel. And yeah, I guess that's it. That's all. I'll be definitely doing a room tour soon and whatnot, and yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. And yeah, stay awesome, guys.